Okay children, let's continue with the lesson. I will do it by Sudhamurthy as I given introduction. The boy was very sharp and every sharp intelligent boy will dream for about to join any engineering college. So even he has this dream to join the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs. So as I said, for IITs, after intermediate, you have to, in your intermediate, you have to choose MPC as your subjects, and after that, you have to write an entrance test. Children, can you guess what's the entrance you prepare? Normally, children of aspirants of to join to study in IIT. What is the test? Eligibility test you have to pass. State wise it's NCET, yes, if you remember. And something like, have you heard? JEE, mains, advance. Have you? What is this JEE? Normally they say, no, I am taking for when you join for intermediate, you say with intermediate they give me coaching for JEE, mains and advance. Do you remember anything like that? When in the college, but especially your parents inquire, do they prepare for your JEE? So this JEE mains advance is a test. What does mean? Normally it means joint entrance examination. Joint entrance examination, nothing but JEE. Mains, first you have to clear your mains, then advance. You have 2 exams to get admission in your IITs, Indian Institute of Technology colleges. Okay children, so even he was preparing, but now as if we have seen the world or the education has had a rapid changeover in these years, where IT sectors have been really increasing their jobs in IT sectors are really it is getting number of jobs we have, and even to get through the examination we have coaching, as I said, even it is given in your intermediate regular course also, many colleges offer you this JEE, but those days when this boy was studying, there was no such kind of entrance. Just like you prefer, you are going to appear and the syllabus would be same of your intermediate, whatever you subjects you have chosen. Upon that, okay, I mean MPC, whatever the subjects you read, upon that you will have your entrance test. So there was an entrance test for IIT. What I am talking about is JEE. This boy, along with his friends, applied to appear for the test. They did not have any special books or coaching. All these IIT aspirants would sit below the seats of a stone mandap close to Chamundi Hills in the sleepy town of Mysore. So his place was in Mysore, a very famous hill station, Mysore, where in a small place, town, where you get enjoy the season over there. And here, these children, they don't have any special book or coaching. Now these days, how you get special, you prepare your MCET or JEE, like with special coaching centers or special books provided for this examination. But these children were not that privileged to have. So they used to prepare on their own. So how they used to prepare? So all these aspirants, the word aspirants means who has ambition, who has a hope to fulfill. So they are called as aspirants. So these IIT aspirants, because they are hopeful to get through the exam to join IIT. So they are called as IIT aspirants here. So they would sit on a shade of a stone mandap. The tree big, normally in our villages you see you would have that big stone mandap, chabutra we call, upon a big tree. On the big tree, on the stone mandap, they used to all together, they used to prepare. Close to Chamundi Hills, the place, it is very close to Chamundi Hills. In the sleepy, means very vibrant, the place, very gloomy place, Mysore, very nice hill station. He was the guide for others. they used to struggle. That means fight with the answer, fight with the paper, questions. What they have to really think hard. Here fighting means not really using manpower. Here it is about mentally they have to really go through a lot to crack that. But for him it was easy to solve. He would smile shyly. He used to feel very shy while solving. When he used to solve for other children, he used to really feel very shy. He was very shy in nature. So that means you should not take that credit. Yes, I can do. You should never feel like that. You should be very humble. While solving, when children say, oh my goodness, how can you solve so easily? He used to not feel anything. He used to not take that credit. He used to feel shy. Okay, that means you can understand how down to earth he is. Though he was intelligent, though he was clever, he has never taken that credit from anybody. So solve them in no time. That also you should not take much time. He sat alone below a tree and dreamt of studying at IIT. So he used to sat under that tree and dreamt is the past. Dream. Children, dream is the present verb. Okay, then B1 what do you call? Dreamt. B2 nothing but past. Dreamt again. B3 form nothing but past participle. Okay, what would be the B4 here? Present participle. Children? Nothing but dreaming. Present participle where you are ing to the main verb. Okay, so here dream, dreamt and dreaming. The four forms of the verb very important. Why in your normal in paper 2 also you get, and even in your paper 1 error bits you may come across. So all the forms, so present form, past participle form and present participle form. And what is the fifth form? To infinitive form. Okay, so these are the forms of verb we must know. Okay, so here for dream it is dream, dreamt, dreaming. So for here past and past participle is same. Okay children, so here he dreamt of studying at IIT. He used to really, because he was clever, he know that I can crack through, and he used to really dream how it will be the college life, how I would get join in IIT. He used to think. It was the ultimate aim any bright boy at that age, as it still is today. So it was the ultimate, means only hope, you can say the ultimate, last, final, or even eventually the only thing anybody of his age, his intelligence would dream. And even till now it is the same. Any intelligent students, anybody who would really can good at maths, physics and science, maths, physics, chemistry, would dream of joining the IIT college. Good at them, they really have a hope goal. They would every day their life would be dreaming when I will join IIT, when I would join IIT, because it is the only goal, hope, purpose they have been living. So they dream of this. Even still, not that day he dreamed, this boy dreamed, but even still today, students continue, because they know I can and I will finally one day I will join that. So they dream of that, joining that. The D-Day game, that means the final day, the important day, or you can say the climax, the important, the crucial moment of his life came. He came to Bangalore, stayed with some relatives and appeared the entrance test. So he had told myself with this small town, he has to come to Bangalore. He came there and he stayed with some relative, and what he appeared means he wrote his entrance test. He did very well, but would only say okay when asked. Normally